Hi, this is Tyler with TC Brothers, and today we're talking engine stands. If you're undertaking a project with your motorcycle that involves the removal of your engine, one of the simplest, best investments you can make, although often overlooked, is an engine stand. Here at TC Brothers, we make a variety of engine stands for fitments of Harley Davidson and various metric models. Some nice features about our engine stands are they're produced right here in America from heavy gauge steel with a durable black powder coat finish. They have integrated mounting holes for mounting it to your bench to keep your motor secure, and they're CNC laser cut and formed for a precision fit every time. You can find out more about these engine stands that are in stock and ready to ship by visiting our website, tcbros.com.